General description of Facebook. It is the main social network that exists in the world, a network of virtual links whose main objective is to support the production and sharing of content, increasing the expand the possibilities of social relationships and cause uncooperative neighbor evolution in the communication. Description of the concepts include in the hard graph diagram according to the problem faced by Facebook. Student name Lisette Adriana Mendez. Case Facebook date May 5, 2022. Problem definition. The main problem that the Facebook company faces in Exodus with its employees. That is current employees reform many from employees different preference and have the essential new opportunities are sourced on the honey hill are coded in the two information that employees and have therefore found new work opportunities. Causes. Employees see a positive of Facebook in the rate in the employees and fairness of and with great regretted favor, attrition, and because they plus present by the company reasons the livelihood of person of from the company's consequence. The company reduces the chances of death of for these employees by applying the fund worker preposition being burned the brain in the on the hurricanes for companies. Thank you.